Hey guys, welcome back to my channel where we talk life, food, family, and fun. Today we're talking family and we are doing a family tip that will bring your family closer, make amazing memories with you and your kids. Once you try this once, you will never go back, I promise you. Want to know what it is? Stay tuned and let's do this. Okay, so my husband and I both took a 3-year course called the Master's Program, and it is an amazing discipleship program. I absolutely love it. So much so that my husband actually even teaches it now where we live. And one of the things that we learned in this course was how to connect with your kids on a deeper level and make amazing memories with them. And what it's called is the best day. And what you do is you tell your kids, either give it to them on Christmas or on their birthday or just randomly. You walk up to your kids and hand them a certificate for a best day. And the way that that works is that they actually get to choose what they would want to do in a best day. This is one day, so it has to be something that you can accomplish in one day. I mean, it can't be like I'm going to go to Italy, but it's one thing that they would want to do with you all day long, and it will take all day. And you let them actually decide. So you give them some time on what they would want to do, and then they come back and tell you, and then you sit down on the calendar and pick a day that you're going to make this happen, and then you plan it and make it happen and do that. And we have done this with our kids. My husband has done it with all 4 of our kids every year for several years now, and they have picked something different every time. For instance, our oldest picked paddleboarding in Balboa Island. One of them picked going to Disneyland because we lived in Southern California, going to Disneyland. One of them picked boar hunting, which they did. One of them picked fishing. It's something different every year. But the kids look so forward to having this best day, and we take lots of pictures and video and record those experiences where they actually get to choose it every single year. It has just brought so many memories, so many cherished times, and they feel so involved because even down to when our youngest was 4 and he was choosing, I want to go to Disneyland or whatever, he was like, when's the best day? When's the best day? I'm so excited about it. So my challenge to you is, with your kids, make a best day and go and ask them what they want to do, plan it out, and then do it. And I guarantee you, if you guys do this once, you'll want to do it every year of their lives until they move out. And even actually after they move out, we still kind of do it sometimes. It's just so amazing. Those experiences, they're priceless. And another thing that's so great about it is that they get the one-on-one time. So if you have more than one child, a lot of times we're doing everything as a family together, which is great, but having that one-on-one time where you can just talk with them all day long, it's all about just being with you and them, is so important, and this is a great way to do that. So short, quick video today, but I hope this inspires you to pick a best day with your kids and let them decide. You will not regret it. They will not regret it. You will love this. I guarantee it. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment on one of your favorite parenting tips, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this one, which I post every Tuesday and Thursday. Otherwise, I hope you're having a great day, stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next video. Go have a best day. See ya, ladies.